A very good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to discuss median in continuous series. Yesterday we had discussed median in discrete series and individual series. Today we are going to discuss how we'll calculate median in case of continuous series. Here are some few steps, simple steps which we'll follow to take out the median. The first step is the data is arranged in ascending or descending order of their class interval. The second, the frequencies are then converted into cumulative frequency. Third, median class of the series is identified. It corresponds to that cumulative frequency which includes the n upon 12th item. The following formula is applied to determine the actual median value. Now what is the formula? Formula for median in case of continuous series is L1 plus n by 2 minus Cf upon f into I. Here L1 is the lower limit of the median class. Cf is the cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. F is the frequency of the median class. I is the size of the median class interval. Now let's see one illustration that will make the application of formula more clear. The illustration goes like this. Find out median value of the following distribution. The wage rate is given and number of workers is given. So wage rate is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40 and 40 to 50. Number of workers is 22, 38, 46, 35 and 20. Now we will make three columns: wage rate, frequency and cumulative frequency. In wage rate we'll write down 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40 and 40 to 50. In frequency we'll copy down the frequency, that is 22, 38, 46, 35, 20. And what we'll do, we'll take out the summation of frequency, that is summation of f is equals to n is equals to 161. We can also denote summation f as n. Now cumulative frequency will take out. First one is 22, then 22 plus 38, that is 60, then 60 plus 46, 106, then 106 and 35, 141, and 141 plus 20 is 161. Now we know m is equals to size of n upon 12th item, and here n is the summation of f. So size of 1 upon 161 upon 2 12th item, that is, when we calculate we'll get size of 80.5 item, 80.5. Now 80.5 lies in 106th cumulative frequency. As I told you, whatever m comes, whatever median size comes, we will see in the cumulative frequency which is greater than, like 106 cumulative frequency they have given 80.5. so 80.5 will not lie in 60. After 60 cumulative frequency 106 and 80.5 is less than 106, so it will lie in the 106th cumulative frequency. So what we will do, we will take the class interval in front of that 106, that is 20 to 30, and that is the value of the median class. It must lie between 20 to 30. The following formula will be applied, that is L1 plus n by 2 minus Cf upon f into I. What is L1? L1 is the lower limit. So 106, the class interval is 20 to 30, the lower limit is 20. So 20 plus n by 2, it's 161 upon 2 minus Cf, that is the cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency will take one preceding to what has come, like 106th it has come, so we'll take one before that. So 160 and before cumulative, that is 60. So 60 will take here Cf upon f. F is the frequency in front of that class interval, that is 46. Okay, into I. I is the difference of the class interval, that is 20 to 30, difference is 10. So we will solve it by the BODMAS rule, that is 20 plus we will divide and we will get 80.5 minus 60 upon 46 into 10. So further that will give us 20 plus, we will subtract, that is 80.5 minus 60, that gives us 20.5 upon 46 into 10. So it will be 20 plus 4.46. First you divide and then you multiply and you get 4.46 and the answer will be 24.46. Okay, now the following table gives distribution of marks secured by some students. Marks is given, a number of students given. We have to calculate the median marks secured by the students. Marks we'll copy down, frequency we'll write down, and we'll calculate cumulative frequency. Then we'll take out m. M is equals to size of n by 2th item. N is the total of frequency, that is 399. 399 upon 2, that is 199.5. Hence the median lies in, you can see 199.5, it is less than 200. So it will lie in the 200 cumulative frequency. We'll apply the formula L1 plus n by 2 minus Cf upon F into I. 30 plus 399 upon 2 minus 80 upon 120 into 10, and we'll get the answer after solving 39.96. Now these two practice questions you have to do in your fair copy. You have to calculate median. Now we'll see calculation of median in case of cumulative frequency, that is less than and more than series, which we have done. So they have given wage rate less than 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and number of workers they have given. Now as a first step, the cumulative frequency of less than type is converted into a simple frequency distribution as under. Wage rate is given. So wage rate we will do as less than is given. So 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40 will make class intervals. We will write the cumulative frequency in front of that. And after that we will write down the frequency. That is, first one as it is we'll copy down. Then second one we'll minus. Likewise we'll keep on subtracting till the last one. Okay, now we'll apply the formula m is equals to L1 plus n by 2 minus Cf upon F into I in the same way, and after solving you get 59.35. I hope this is clear to you all how we got it. Okay, thank you class.